Hi there, this is another example on finding the limit of a function as x approaches a given number. And this one involves a radicals. Okay, so there's a square root of x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 7. So ideally, the solution to a limit can be, or the limit can be found by the substitution method. So we place this number, the one that x is approaching. So you have limit. So this means limit as x approaches 7 of the square root of x plus 2 minus 3 all over x minus 7 can be square root of 7 plus 2 minus 3 over 7 minus 7. So this is the square root of 9 minus 3 over 0, 3 minus 3 over 0, or 0 over 0. It's indeterminate. And whenever we have a 0 over 0, this implies that we need to simplify the given expression so that we can find the limit. So we don't say that when it's a 0 over 0, it is undefined. So you don't say it's undefined. So how do we simplify something with a square root? If you recall fractions with radicals before, there's a process that we call rationalizing the denominator. Now here the radicals is in the numerator. So since our goal is to simplify, we can still use rationalization, but in this case we rationalize the numerator. So what does that mean? So to simplify the expression, so limit as x approaches 7 of x plus 2, so this is x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 7. This expression can be simplified if I rationalize the numerator. So to rationalize it, so you copy the expressions, so x plus 2 and 3. So if you want to rationalize it, you have to use the conjugate. The conjugate is simply the opposite sign in the middle. Use the opposite sign in the middle. So the conjugate of x plus 2 minus 3 is the square root of x plus 2 plus 3. Now you will see why we need the conjugate. So it has to be the same. So x plus 2 plus 3. Remember, in basic algebra, if you have x plus y times x minus y, it is equivalent to x squared minus y squared. So this is like your x, this is like your y. So x minus y, x plus y means you simply square x minus the square of y. So if I multiply this will become, so you still have the limit as x approaches 7, but the numerator becomes the square of the square root of x plus 2. So square of the square root of x plus 2 minus the square of 3, which is 9, or 3 squared, all over. Now for the numerator, you don't have to distribute the x minus 7, so just copy it with the x plus 2, the square root of x plus 2 plus 3. By definition, this is absolute value of x plus 2. Now since x is approaching 7, the absolute value is equal to its positive expression x plus 2. But if I approach a negative number, you choose the negative of x plus 2. But since 7 is a positive number, the absolute value of x plus 2, which is equivalent to the square root of x plus 2 with a square, can be changed directly by x plus 2. So this becomes limit. So we have limit as x approaches 7. So this is x plus 2 and then minus 9 all over. Again, no need to simplify. Just put the proper grouping symbols, so plus 2 and plus 3. So this becomes limit as x approaches 7. X plus 2 minus 9 is x minus 7 all over x minus 7 times the square root of x plus 2 plus 3. Okay, so as you can see, you have x minus 7 and x minus 7 that can be cancelled out. So this becomes limit as x approaches 7 of 1 over the square root of x plus 2 plus 3. And once you have simplified the expression, you can now try substituting the number. So you use the substitution method, you place the number on the x, and this will become the square root of 7 plus 2 plus 3. So this is 1 over square root of 9 plus 3, which is 1 over 3 plus 3, or 1 over 6. So therefore, the limit of x plus 2, the square root of x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 7 by simplifying the expression using the method rationalizing the numerator. So from a long solution, the limit is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, so finally the limit is 1 over 6. Now what I want you to take note here, that every time you find the limit, your first option is the substitution method. So in most cases, the substitution method will work. You will get a number. But if the value after using the substitution method is 0 over 0, then that means you have to simplify the expression, and then after simplifying the expression, you apply the substitution method. That's what we did here. So we simplified the expression until we were able to cancel x minus 7. And by the moment we were able to cancel x minus 7, we have the remaining expression 1 over x plus 2 plus 3. And when you use the substitution method, you put the 7 on the x. You have 1 over the square root of 9 plus 3, and that gives us, or that gave us, the limit 1 over 6. Okay? Now, some more notes. 0 over 0 is different to a number over 0. A non-zero number over 0 is undefined, but 0 over 0 is indeterminate. That means find a way, simplify the expression, use the substitution method, and that's it. You'll be able to find the limit. Okay, so that's the solution to this problem. So I hope that helped you understand. Okay, that's it. Thank you.